So out here on my back deck, I've got my potatoes growing, and they're just starting to flower. See the little flowers forming? And there's the smallest pair right there, but they're flowering too. So they like it up here because it's away from all the insect pressure, and they don't get quite as intense the sunlight as they do when they're on the ground. If I look into them, you can see soil's been brought up to within 2 inches of the top of the pots. They're 5-gallon containers, food grade. It's a decent growing system. They definitely seem to do good up against my green wall. But the soil is right from my Eden beds. It is sifted fines through a 1/2-inch sieve down where the roots are, and then just up above, a second layer of sifted fines through a 1/4-inch sieve. The only reason it went that way is because that's what I had on hand at the moment. But they look great. Gonna get a lot of spuds. How are y'all doing your potatoes? In the ground? In buckets? In bags? Huh? We don't water these very often. I just water them until the roots are saturated, and I let it drip out the bottom. And then I don't water them again until it's dry. They kind of tell me exactly what they want. They've grown very, very fast. Anyway, hope you like it. Pretty cool.